Well, a local immigration attorney tells me this may have been a breakdown in communication, not necessarily a break from policy. She says while there are guidelines in place for releases like this one, being dropped off after custody is not uncommon. Rosanna Berardi, managing partner of Berardi Immigration Law, says there is an internal policy that guides Border Patrol when someone is released from custody. She says agents are supposed to assess risk, make sure a drop-off location is safe, and consider whether the person needs any special accommodations. But she says a ride is a courtesy, not a requirement. And being dropped off after release is not necessarily unique. Still, though, she believes this may have been a communication breakdown and says tragedies like this one often lead to policy reviews.
Now, we don't know why that Tim Hortons was selected. That could have been the closest place to the last address, but we're not sure what actually happened. But yes, there is that courtesy component, and it seems to have been a communication gap because the DA's office didn't even think he was going to be released from custody until March 1st, as did his lawyer.
Now, we still do not have a cause of death. The Erie County Medical Examiner has not yet released a completed autopsy report. And as for his legal status, Berardi also emphasized that Shah Alam was in this country legally as a refugee. That's a status that often requires extensive federal vetting. And tonight, Congressman Tim Kennedy, along with 3 other members of Congress, are calling on the Department of Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem to launch a federal investigation to figure out what accommodations, if any, were made to account for Shah Alam's supposed visual impairment and potential language barriers. We also continue to reach out to law enforcement agencies to obtain those answers. On your side, Alyssa Clausel, Channel 2 News.